Today, I'm walking you through how to upload files for use in your HubSpot content. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to get any images, videos, PDFs, or other media into your HubSpot file manager so you can use them in blogs, landing pages, or anywhere you create content. If you've ever felt stuck trying to figure out where your files go, or you just want to streamline your workflow and keep everything organized, this video is for you. Let's jump right in and start with accessing the file manager. When you're logged into your HubSpot account, look to the left side menu. You'll notice a section called Content. Hover over that and you'll see a drop-down with additional options. This is your gateway to managing all kinds of assets in HubSpot. Specifically, we're interested in the Files area. That's where all your uploads will live. So, hover over Files, then give Files a click. This step is important because having your files in the HubSpot file manager means that they're not just on your computer. They're accessible to your whole team and ready to be used across your marketing campaigns. Once you're in the file manager, you'll see a clean dashboard of all the files you've previously uploaded. To add something new, look up to the top right corner for the Upload Files button. It's easy to miss, so take a moment to find it. Clicking this button will kick off the upload process. This part is like opening the door between your device and HubSpot. Think of it like clearing a path so your creative assets can start working for you. After you hit Upload Files, your computer's file browser window pops open. Now, you can navigate through your folders. Maybe you've got images and downloads or documents tucked away in desktop. Take your time and look for the exact files you need. Select them, whether it's one file or several, and then click Open. Don't rush here. Making sure you're uploading the right files means you won't need to redo this step later. To give a practical example, maybe you're prepping a new landing page and need a polished logo and a couple of product shots. All of those can be selected right now. But here's a tip. If you like things quick and easy, HubSpot lets you drag and drop files too. So instead of using Upload Files, you can simply open your computer's folder and drag the files directly into the Open File Manager window in HubSpot. It's a little like dropping files into a digital bucket. No extra clicking or browsing needed. This method is especially handy if you've got two windows side by side or lots of assets to upload at once. Once you've uploaded your files, the File Manager will show them right away. No need to refresh. HubSpot processes uploads very smoothly, though if you're uploading large video files or many documents, it may take a few moments. Don't worry if you see a little spinning icon. That's just the system working in the background. Give it a second, and you'll see your newly uploaded files appear. Now, you're all set. Any file you upload is ready to be added to your HubSpot content. You can use these files in blog posts, landing pages, emails, or as downloadable content for your leads. Having everything uploaded and organized in the file manager not only saves time, but also helps you keep your campaigns professional and consistent. And that's all it takes. Now you know how to upload files for your HubSpot content like a pro. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or tips for fellow viewers. And subscribe for more practical HubSpot tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.